to nursery singing time. We're going to start with our hello song again. And Clara brought me Monkey. And we have a jack-o'-lantern. Here we go. Hello, 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 hello. We welcome you today. Hello, 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 hello. We're glad you came our way to share with us our primary day and be our friend in a very special way. Hello, 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 hello. We welcome you today. Hooray! Today is a day about pumpkins. We're going to sing pumpkin songs and do pumpkin activities. So let's start with Mr. Jack-o'-lantern. And remember, he's round and fat. He has a yellow candle beneath his hat, and it makes him very, very happy. Mr. Jack-o'-lantern is very round and fat. He has a yellow candle lit right beneath his hat. It makes his face look happy and very, very bright when he winks and smiles at me on spooky Halloween night. Now we're going to sing a song about happy faces. Everybody make a happy face. Clara, can you make a happy face? Yes. And frowny faces. We feel better when we make happy faces. So this pumpkin has a very special mouth. It could be happy or sad. And Clara's going to help me make it happy and sad. Here we go. If you chance to meet a frown, do not let it stay. Quickly turn it upside down and smile that frown away. No one likes a frowny face. Change it for a smile. Make the world a better place by smiling all the while. Don't you feel happy now? I feel happy. Do you want to sing Do As I'm Doing? Yeah. Oh, let's do dancing, Chicky. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. If I do it high or low, if I do it fast or slow. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Let's do clapping. Ready? Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. If I do it high or low, if I do it fast or slow. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. You want to do turning around in circles? Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. If I do it high or low, if I do it fast or slow. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing. Follow, follow me. Clara and I have been cooking with pumpkins. Now we're going to show you what's inside a pumpkin, and then we'll make a pumpkin treat. Yes, we can see what's in that pumpkin first.
Can you open it?
I can.
What is this tool?
This is called a cutting board. We're going to lay the pumpkin down like this, and we're going to cut it open. Oh, what do you see?
Seeds.
You know what we're going to do with these seeds? We're going to scoop them out and put them in a bowl.
One little, two little, three little butterflies.
That's right. We could sing pumpkin seeds. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkin seeds. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkin seeds. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkin seeds. 10 little pumpkin seeds. We're going to put these pumpkins in the oven and cook them. Then when we take them out, we grind up all of this pumpkin. Some people call it pumpkin puree. Can you say puree?
Puree.
That's right, puree. Okay, Clara, what are we making today?
Yeah.
What are we making? Are you making that? We're going to make some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Let's get going. We have our recipe here that Clara helped us write down. But
This is what that.
here we go. Mr. Dalton is very round and fat. He has a yellow candle lit right beneath his hat. It makes his face look happy and very, very bright when he winks and smiles at me on spooky Halloween night. When we're helping, we're happy, and we sing as we go. And we like to help Mother, for we all love her so. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Got a little parchment paper. Ooh, that'll be good. It's autumn time, it's autumn time. The leaves are falling down. It's autumn time, it's autumn time. It's all around the town. It's autumn time, it's autumn time. There's yellow, red, and brown. It's autumn time, it's autumn time. Bright colors can be found.
Wow! They're not healthy. Make cookies.
We had a wonderful time doing pumpkins today. We hope you have a great week and we'll see you soon.